at the President's Park greenhouse. This video is to teach you how to respond to an emergency situation. So, one of the emergency situations, and the largest one at that, is if the pump is broken. And one thing on your daily data log to check everything is to make sure your water's running. One way to do that is to pull up your little pipes here. Look, water's running. Okay, so my pump is fine, but let's say in a hypothetical situation, water is not running. That's bad. That means my plants are not receiving the food and water that they need to live. They're probably already wilting at that point, and they're all gonna die unless you help me. So, if the water's not running, you wanna come and check. If you touch this pipe, if it's vibrating, then the pump is running. If it's not vibrating, the pump is not on. This pump should be running 24/7, folks. You can see it under the water there. First thing to check is make sure it's plugged in. So follow this wire, follow it over to the outlet here, it's plugged in. So let's say water's not flowing, my pump is plugged in. What's going on? My pump might be broken. So what you're gonna wanna do is replace the pump with a backup pump. So, first thing I'm gonna show you is how to remove this pump. So, for all intents and purposes, let's say it's not working. This one is working, so I'm gonna unplug it. The first thing I wanna do is take out this old pump so that we can replace it with a new pump. To do that, you first need to disconnect this union. This union connects these two pipes without having a permanent glued seal. So there's my union. I just unscrewed this and just pulled them apart. And then you can use this to take out your pump. The pump has a handle, and this is what my pump looks like. I just pulled it out of my stock tank. So the next thing you're gonna wanna do is unscrew this pipe. This pipe can go on to your new pump. So you just unscrew it like so until it's completely loose. So then your old pump, just leave on the floor for now. We'll get rid of it if it's broken. Now you wanna go over to the prep room to get the backup pump. In the far cabinet on the left here, we have backup pump. It's labeled backup pump. So you're gonna grab this guy and take him out of the box. And here, the exact same thing that was over there, except brand new. Bring it over so you have your broken pump. And you can see there's this threaded opening here. What you're gonna wanna do is disconnect this all the way and basically connect it to your new pump over here. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Take your time, get it all nice and screwed in. And then you can put this pump back into your tank, reconnect the union by matching it up, screwing it back together, and then plugging this new outlet into the electrical outlet behind the fur troller there, and you replace the pump. Thanks.